Welcome to my channel Alex Bine. This is the new 2025 Toyota Land Cruiser ROX convertible. The Toyota Land Cruiser ROX concept is an open-top version of Toyota's hybrid SUV created for the SEMA auto show. The Toyota Land Cruiser ROX features massive fenders, 4 inches more ground clearance, and an 8-inch wider track. Along with the sliding soft-top roof, the ROX is equipped with a 3-bar roof rack and 7 additional roof-mounted lights. Thank you very much for watching. Subscribe to my channel.